Hello. Okay, let's get started. So today we are going to do Active Directory Federated Service integration with Office 365. Now, essentially, uh, what we are going to showcase over here is that how Axiom Protect is going to work with Office 365. So the first thing I want to show you is that we have a user that is being created, and that user will be the one that will log into the Office 365. So in the Axiom dashboard, I'm going to quickly show you a user who is having a software token assigned on the mobile phone, and this user is Pramod. This is the email ID with which I'm going to actually authenticate myself, and this is the software token. So now, and it's active, so that means the token is active for it to be used. Now let's go towards the Office 365, where we will show you that how it will work through ADFS to Axiom and back. So I'm going to log in with my email ID. I don't need to enter a password here because the authentication of password as well as the one-time password will happen from Active Directory and Axiom Protect through ADFS. So I just have to click over here. It is redirecting it to my website, that means my ADFS that is deployed on our domain. So as you can see over here that it is actually connecting to our domain, which is adfs.mulatech.com. Now on this page is where I will be entering my password. So the password for my this particular account is, which is LZ. What's the password? Just show me. Yeah, just once again, sorry. So I'm just showing you that I entered a wrong password and the password is invalid. Chat go. Yeah. Okay, so as this is the wrong password, so now I'm entering the right password from my account, which is ALZ ZO बंद कर दे. Okay, so I'm entering the right password, which is being verified from my Active Directory. Sorry, I think I typed it wrongly. Else MO 1 5. Okay. Okay, now as you can see over here, it's actually showing for the second factor authentication screen. So right now I'm generating a one-time password. I'll enter a wrong password over here to show you that it's it's being authenticated over here, and then after that we will enter the right password. Now this authentication is happening through Axiom Protect via ADFS. So as you can see over here, that's an invalid OTP. Now I'm entering the right OTP, which is 061635. Enter. And now the password is being verified, and I will get to see the control going back to Office 365 for further processing. So once that is achieved, that clearly states that Office 365 using ADFS is actually being, it works fine. So as you can see over here, we are back onto ADFS. After ADFS, we are back onto the Office 365. So if you can see over here, it's gone back to Microsoft and it's actually at the Office 365. Now something similar can be arranged for other softwares like Google app or possibly Amazon services, and Salesforce or any other system which is actually SAML compliant, and it can forward its request to ADFS for authentication. Now to very quickly show you over here, I will generate a report from this particular user for today, and over here we will see that the request for authentication has come over here, and that request is will show you the one-time password that is being used by Axiom for authentication. So as you can see over here, the request has come over here and we have successfully validated the OTP. I had entered an invalid OTP about 30 seconds before that, so that is also being logged over here. So if you look over here, you can see that there was a wrong attempt and then there was a right attempt. being done that. So this is a very quick demo of what we have for Office 365 and Active Directory Federated Services working with Axiom Protect agent to actually do second factor authentication. Other forms of authentication like Geo Fencing, IP based restrictions, these all can also be enforced. We can do Q&A, we can also do device profiling and things like that also under this particular portfolio of our offering. Thank you so much for watching. Look forward for hearing from you. Thanks. Where is stop?